Welcome to this new section. This is the seventh part where we are going to discuss the another 10 questions related to piping engineering topics which are generally asked in piping interviews. So let us see what are these 10 questions which we are going to cover in this section. What are socket welded flanges? Okay, how socket welded flanges are joined with pipe? Why clearance is provided at the bottom of socket weld? Okay, so these are the basic questions. Comparison of socket welded flange with respect to slip-on, with respect to strength and fatigue. What are the various disadvantages of socket welded flanges? Why we cannot use at so many places with okay, so why they are having limited application. What are screw flanges? Then what are how screw flanges are joined on a pipe? What are major applications? What are few recommendations in ASME 31.3 related to screw flanges, which we need to know? Sometime my interviewer asked few of the questions related to this. What are the service conditions recommended for uses of screw flanges? So these are the basic questions which any interviewer can ask in an interview. So these every piping engineer should know these things. So this is going to be very informative section. So see you in the answer part. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics in we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute Funda series, 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self-improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.